Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy trade in Binance, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on futures just down below shown in the screen, and you will be able to see an interface where you can see copy trading option inside navbar at top. Just click there. After that, you will be redirected to copy trading page where you can see lots of professional traders. Let's choose first one. Click on copy. Now make sure you are in fixed ratio section. Enter your amount in copy amount, let's say 10 USDT. And let's say I want to keep my stop loss in 5% of my investment amount. And also make sure you check mark all the policies. Finally, click on confirm and you will be able to copy the trade. So this is how you can copy the trade in Binance, and if you still encounter any issue during the trading process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.